Okay, so hopefully you've been able to get your Excel file downloaded off our course website. And so you have this raw data that's been collated from our nutritional experiment. And we're going to take this raw data, and we're in sheet 2, you have this blank table. And so we're going to transfer the averages over into this table so that we can fill it out. And then we're going to use the information from this table to create a series of graphs and bar columns displaying this data, and then we'll show that you can put each column a different color to correspond with our different treatment colors. So let's start with getting those numbers into the table. And so one way to do that is just to hit average, type in average, open parentheses, highlight what you're interested in here, close parentheses, enter, boom, there's the average. Okay, so let's do that one more time. Enter, average, open parentheses, highlight all the way down to the numbers you're interested in, close parentheses, enter. And since we have equal values going down, we're using basically the same formula, and so you can actually just copy this formula over to finish out each treatment. And so we can do this all the way down. So now let's get the average for the no calcium. So that would be equals average, open parentheses, highlight, close parentheses, enter. And then we can just take that same formula, go over to get the growth score, go over to get the fat pad weight, go over to get the pancreatic weight. We finish that one out. And so you do that in a similar fashion for each of your different treatments. So here the red group, silver group, blue group, green group, pink group have all been done. And so here are my averages. So now we can use this to come back over here and fill the chart out. So let's do the average body weight. So to get the average body weight, we can do two things. One, we're getting the average body weight. Let me go back and see. We're doing control. So find control, and here's our averages. So you can do just, the copy function, or you can do it the old-fashioned way. Come up here and hit copy. Then move over and paste. Okay. Oh, what is that? So that's not what we want. What we want is we're going to come over to this clipboard, and then we can do values only, and we get our number. Okay. An alternative way to do that is to come over and hit equals. So in this case, I'm looking for my average body weight for no vitamin D, no calcium. So we'll come to the no vitamin D, no calcium. That's our orange. Here's my average. Highlight that, and then push enter. There it is. Okay. So either one of those ways will work to, fill out your chart. And so let's go ahead and just fill out our red chart. Fill out our chart for average body weight. And so red's next. So I'm going to do it this way. Control, paste. Don't want that. I want values. Now silver, I'll do it the other way. Equals. Let me find silver. There it is. Enter. Oh, there it is again. Blue, let's do equals. Let's go over here and find blue for the average. There it is. Enter. Green, let's do green and control paste. What do you say? So copy. Green, go back, paste. Oh, values only. And then pink. We'll go to pink, come down. Let's copy. Let's paste. Oh, nope, we want values only. Perfect. All right, now we have our body weight average for each of the different treatments. We want to fill out this because we're going to use this in calculation of this important ratio, which was going to show you differences in fat pad and pancreatic weight from the different treatments. And so this is a really easy formula. So you just put equals that cell divided by 100. Okay, since we're doing the same thing all the way down the column, we just hit Control Copy and then highlight these and paste. Simple as that. Now we have our body weight ratio. Average growth plate score, we're going to do that in the same way we found our average body weight. So we're going to go back to the original sheet and find yellow. So let's do it this way. Equals. So yellow, yep, that's the one. Enter. Equals. We're going to orange now. Orange, nope, that's the one. Now we're going to silver equals silver. Ooh, am I going to silver? Wait a second. Yeah. No, I'm going to red. So I'm going to red. So red, where's red? There's red. Boom. Now I'm going to silver. So equals, and there. And then blue equals, where is blue? Whoa, got big there. There's blue. Boom. Green. Let's find green. Where's that one? Oh, there it is. So enter. And then pink. So equals, find pink growth. There it is. So we're good. Now we just find the average fat pad weight to body weight ratio. And so that's going to be, so average fat pad, we can do, find the average fat pad. So we're going up top, average there, okay. And this case, we're not done. So it's the average fat pad weight over body weight ratio. So that would be over this number. And so we can come up to this figure. So see, I came up here to highlight it. And I'm going to do divided by, and then highlight this cell and push enter. And that's our value. So we can do that for average fat pad body weight. So we've done yellow, so let's go to orange. So equals, where's our orange? Right here, we're doing fat pad, so the average is here. Enter. So we're not done because we need to divide that by this to get our ratio. Okay, and now we go to red. So let's go through that. So this time I'm going to do Control Copy. Come back to red. Paste. Nope, don't want that. I want value. And then I'm going to divide that by this. Oh, what happened there? Divide that by that. Ooh, that's just carrying it out too far. Okay, so just shorten that. I don't know what's happening here. Let's clear that out. So this is average fat pad. So I'm going to go, see, sometimes you run into problems. Go to red, 2.82. Okay, value only. And I'm going to do equals divided by, see, I think that was my problem. This, better. All right, so now I think it's easier if we just do equals all the time. So equals, we're looking for silver fat pad. So go down to silver fat pad, average there, enter. Oh, not done, come back. Divide that by this number. And then we're on blue. So equals, find blue fat pad. There she is. Enter. Not done. Come back, divide that by this number. And so forth. So you get the idea on that. And so then average pancreatic body weight ratio. So this one, we'll just go to the average pancreas. And we're on the control this time. So hit enter. Not done. and we're going to divide that by our body weight ratio and get a number. So now you'll complete this, you'll fill out your chart. Now you need to make individual graphs for the different types of measures. And so let's do the first one. The first one's pretty easy, so we'll do average body weight. And so to do this, highlight what you're interested in here, and then come up, and we are going to insert a graph column. And so here's our column. It gives us our average body weight for each of them. Nice title here. And so what you can do is you want to be able to make these columns kind of coincide with the color of the treatment. So in this case, yellow. Let's make this one yellow so we can format data point. Oh, it's over here on this one. This is new. So we're going to do a fill, and we're going to change the color to yellow. So vitamin D, it was orange. So we're going to format data point. We're going to go to fill. We're going to find orange. And then carb red. Format data point. Go to fill. Color red. So you'll do this for your average body weight. I'd also like you to to label the axes. And so what you can do is let me finish off this chart right fast. So to get the other chart, so it's a little tricky. So what I would do is copy this down, and then take for, let's say, your average growth plate score, bring that right beside it, paste, and again you want to keep values only. And so now we can do an average growth plate chart. And so we go to insert, we can go to chart, we can do that, and here's our average growth plate chart, and then we can get into the colors there. The other one you want to do is, fat pad and pancreatic weight. I don't have all the data there, but you get the idea how to do it. So you'll bring that in. Whoa, we want values. So go values only, and then you can come up here to insert, chart, cluster column, and then again we can change our colors. And so vitamin D, we can hit control and click on it, format your data point, and over here we can fill it. What color was that? Orange. And so we'll make it orange. There you go. So hopefully you have a better idea. So you want to make all these graphs. You want to take this chart up here, fill it out. This filled out chart with a graph for body weight, average plate score, average fat pad to body weight ratio, average pancreas to body weight ratio are all the graphs you should have to fill in your results, which is the bulk of kind of the grade. So really this is for you to make and shouldn't be too much of a challenge. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me an email, or this is Thursday, so if you see me tomorrow, ask away. Anyway, good luck. Have a good weekend. Take care.